Welcome back, everybody. We were feeling cooped up in the house, so we decided to get out and have a picnic. Stir fry, one of our family favorites. So I have the Blackstone 28-inch adventure-ready griddle and this brand new toy. A shout out to BougeRV. They contacted me on Instagram. They told me they had some brand new refrigerator freezers for that camping, van life, outdoor adventure lifestyle. They asked me if I wanted one. I said, are you kidding me? So they hooked me up with this 59-quart refrigerator freezer. We're running off vehicle power right here. You can also run off electricity. I had this plugged in at the house for about a month, and we ran it with the refrigerator and the freezer. It worked perfect. This thing is pretty darn amazing. So it has 2 zones, and if you look right here, super deep. You see we stopped by the store and picked up the basics for stir fry here. It goes down and down and down. So 59 quarts. You can see we have room for drinks, tons of waters in there. All of our supplies for stir fry today. Even comes with a cutting board. It also runs off solar. Bouge has a solar panel that you can get separately. You can run it off of Bouge power station as well, and they even offer a battery. So I'm hoping that they can send me one of those in the future, but so far blown away by this thing. And I'll show you some more pictures of me using it at home. Oh yeah, one more thing, it also has an app. This is super cool. So it connects by Bluetooth, and you can change the temperature of one side to the other. You can run both sides on either mode. So you can have refrigerator, you can have freezer, you can have freezer, refrigerator, or you can have refrigerator, freezer. And I'll definitely take advantage of that BougeRV cutting board. Got the Blackstone knife here, and I picked up some chicken breast strips at the grocery store. These are the ones that are cut up into chicken finger size. This should be the easiest way to get some delicious fresh chicken into our stir fry today. And of course we have that Blackstone 28-inch adventure ready. I got it screaming hot. When you're doing stir fry, you want to be super hot. Think about when you get stir fry takeout at your favorite Chinese restaurant. Mega quick, because they have those woks up to 500, 600, 700 degrees. Extra virgin olive oil. Fresh minced garlic going down. Put a little more oil in there if I need to. I'm going down with chopped onion from the house, shredded carrot, a mixture of bell peppers. Today we have red and orange, and a mixture of zucchini with summer squash noodles. I grabbed a pack of white pepper out of the pantry. It's a nice option, especially if you get people that say they don't like pepper. Chances are they do, but they're afraid of it. And white pepper blends in nice with your recipe. And some violet sea salt. I just love these colored salts, by the way. Found these jalapeno slices in the grocery store when I was picking up my odds and ends, so we'll put a few of those in there. And then in with our starch, I have some Uncle Ben's jasmine rice, the ready rice. This goes straight down on the griddle top. So you might be out camping, having a picnic with the family, and you're thinking, oh, hamburgers and hot dogs again. You don't have to have hamburgers and hot dogs. Stir fry. People ask me about what my favorite recipes are over the years, or what my favorite types of things are to cook on the Blackstone Griddle. And a lot of times I answer with stir fry, because it's just so easy. It's so forgiving. Towards the end, I love to add green, especially spinach, maybe spinach or kale. So this is baby spinach today. And towards the end, one of my top 2 all-time favorite stir-fry sauces, the sweet chili sauce. Basically, chili, garlic, and sugar. Caramelized just a little bit, but we don't want to leave it on there so long that your stir-fry gets soggy and yucky. Time to pull our stir-fry here. Beautiful. You know me, I love that fresh cilantro. So a little bit of fresh cilantro as well. And another thing that's perfect, pineapple. Hannah, who's behind the camera, can't eat pineapple, so I'm not using it today, but pineapple. If you love pineapple, fresh chunks of pineapple in here, amazing. If you're cooking burgers or quesadillas or steaks, not a lot of mess, simple cleaning. But if you look here, we've got a yucky, sugary, burned, caramelized mess. You definitely need some water. So put a little water down, you'll see it literally deglazes the griddle, if you will, and you can simply scrape it clean. So check this out. We'll show you how easy it is to clean the griddle top when you have a stir-fry mess. Then I grab a wad of paper towels. For me, it's typically going to be Bounty, but you can use whatever you want to use. Some people like using those blue shop towels. We'll get the griddle most of the way clean. Grab some more of my cooking oil. Again, today it happens to be extra virgin olive oil. Watch your hands, folks. I'm choosing to do this barehanded. You might want to use some Blackstone heat-resistant gloves or something like that, or a pair of tongs. But right there, that is just about as perfect as you can ever hope to get your griddle top look. Take a look at that. It's time for lunch. Let's give it a try. And also check out BougeRV. I'll put discount codes down below. They gave me 2 different discount codes. One's 15% off for the next couple of weeks. The other one is 12% off for the next several months through the end of the year. They've got a ton of products, like I mentioned earlier. They've got power stations. They've got multiple portable refrigerator freezers. They have solar panels and all that amazing stuff. Thanks again for watching, everybody. Until next time, this is Todd and his family from here in Colorado's Rocky Mountains. We're saying praise the Lord and pass the
stir fry.
Stir fry.